Hello, why do the FlyLady system? Why do my version of the FlyLady system? Because you are building with little blocks to make a routine. It's not one giant routine, it's just building with little bits of routine to make a routine. And then once your routine is down pat, you are adding in basic weekly plan. Those are the things you do already. It's just organized so that you know what day you're going to buy groceries. You know what day you're going to do the weekly home blessing hour, etc. And then finally, you're going to add your zones. And that is the actual decluttering of each area of your home, block by block. So the whole thing is building block by block until you have your whole house decluttered, organized, and clean. That's why you do my version of the FlyLady system.